Hey everyone, I hope you have a good day. My name is Shamkal. Today I'm gonna show you that how to use our app in your team's feature collection. Let's get started. First, we need to click Online Store section in Shopify and then click the Edit Theme. Yep, we are already in the home page. Inside the Template section, click Add section and inside there, click Feature Collection. Yep, we already created our first feature collection. Let's assign a collection to there. I choose the first one's Close Collections and change the name. Okay, I add second feature collection and I assign Hydrogen Collection to there. Change the name. And last one, finalist. I would like to add another collection. Assign the Shoes Collection to there. Let's change the name. And yeah, we already created our team's collection, our team's feature collection, and let's view inside the store. Okay, you can see that first clothes collections, hydrogen collections, shoes collections, but you can see they they don't categorize by the variants, and now I show to you how to do that. Let's get back to the Shopify and let's click our application and click the general settings. You can see in there in page settings, enable on feature collection. Just enable this and you can see the position like first position. In there, or first position is close collection. Okay, we choose close collections and let's add another one. And second one is hydrogen collection and last one is shoes collection. We choose second one is hydrogen collection and the last one finalist is shoes collection. That's it, and we just need to enable, like just save it, that immediately enabled. Okay, and also you can change the product view, like a whole menu product view inside the first visit. You can change from there, like 4 product, 4 in a line, like 5 product, 12 product maybe. Okay, let's check it. Let's refresh our store and that's it. You can see they already categorized by the variants. And yep, let me know if you have any questions or concerns. We are here to assist you. Have a good day.